Select the Select tool and select the entities. Cancel from Local menu. Select Blend Curves from Modify menu. Select first 2D curve and then select the second 2D curve. Select the Select tool. Select the complete entity. Now select the Mirror tool from Modify menu. Apply Mirror tool on the select entity. Cancel from Local menu. Select Blend Curves from Modify menu. Select Minimum Curvature Radius from Local menu. Select first 2D curve, Polyline, and then select the second 2D curve, Polyline. Select G2 Continuous from Local menu. Select one edge, and then other to blend. Now take the Edit tool to edit the model. Thanks for watching.